1. Dates milk for hormonal balance. Ingredients: 1 cup milk, 2 or 3 dates chopped, a pinch of cinnamon. Purpose: dates are rich in nutrients that may help support hormonal balance. 2. Flaxseed algae milk for hormonal health. Ingredients: 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon ground flax seeds, honey optional. Purpose: flax seeds contain compounds that may help regulate hormonal levels. 3. Withania somnifera ashwagandha milk for hormone regulation. Ingredients: 1 cup milk, a half teaspoon Withania somnifera ashwagandha powder, a dash of nutmeg. Purpose: Withania somnifera ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb that may help regulate hormonal balance. 4. Chia seed sabza milk for hormonal support. Ingredients: 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, honey optional. Purpose: chia seeds are a source of omega-3 fatty acids, which may support hormonal health. 5. Pumpkin seed kadu milk for hormonal balance. Ingredients: 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, a pinch of cinnamon. Purpose: pumpkin seeds contain zinc and may contribute to hormonal balance. 6. Turmeric ginger milk for hormone regulation. Ingredients: 1 cup milk, a half teaspoon turmeric powder, a half teaspoon ginger powder, honey optional. Purpose: turmeric and ginger may help regulate hormones and provide anti-inflammatory benefits. 7. Walnut milk for hormonal support. Ingredients: 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons crushed walnuts, honey optional. Purpose: walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that may support hormonal health. 8. Basil tulsi milk for hormone balance. Ingredients: 1 cup milk, fresh basil leaves, honey optional. Purpose: basil may help in hormone balance and has antioxidant properties. 9. Honey and cinnamon milk for hormonal health. Ingredients: 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon honey, a pinch of cinnamon. Purpose: honey and cinnamon may contribute to hormonal health and provide a delightful flavor. 10. Sesame seed till milk for hormonal balance. Ingredients: 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, honey optional. Purpose: sesame seeds are a source of nutrients that may contribute to hormonal balance. My dear viewers, thank you a lots for watching my videos. My dear viewers, if you like my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. My dear viewers, Allah always gives you all a successful life with happiness, with loves, with your loving parents and families, and with a very good, healthy, long life. Allah always protects you all. And Allah protect our Palestine brothers and sisters too. Ameen. My dear viewers, please always take care of yourself. A lots. Be happy. Keeps people around you happy too.